the end of this video, you will have mastered the future perfect tense. Want to talk about actions that will be finished before a specific time in the future? Then this episode of Grammar Unlocked is for you. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and let's level up your English together. So in this video, we will describe what is future perfect tense, structure and everything. Let's begin. What is future perfect? It is used to show that an action will be completed before a specific point in the future. Let's see when we use it. We use it to show an action will be completed before a future time. For example, I will have submitted my assignment by 5 p.m. This is the action that I will be completed in the future time. Next up, it's also used to describe achievements or progress by a future deadline. For example, they will have completed the project by next week. Here I am talking about an action they will complete in the next week. It is also used to express assumptions about the past and the future context. For example, she will have already left when we get there. Now you know when we use it, and let's learn how to structure them. To frame an affirmative sentence, you should start with the subject followed by will have followed by past participle form. So as it is a perfect tense, that's why we use past participle of the verb. Example, I will have finished my homework by 8 p.m. She will have completed the course by next month. Both actions will have completed in the future time. Next up, to frame a negative sentence, you should start with the subject followed by will not followed by have followed by past participle form of the verb. Don't forget to use have with all the subjects. Example, she won't have left by the time we arrive. I will not have completed the project before Friday. Now let's learn how to frame an interrogative sentence. First, you should start with the auxiliary verb will followed by the subject followed by have followed by past participle followed by the question mark. Examples, will you have finished the book by tonight? Will they have eaten before the movie starts? So this is how we structure the future perfect tense. Now let's fix some of the common mistakes that we often make. We don't say I will have finished the exam. Instead say I will have finished the exam. Use the past participle form of the verb with the future perfect tense instead of base form. That is wrong. Next one, we don't say will she written the report. Instead say will she have written the report. We often forget to use have with the future perfect tense. It's wrong. While framing an interrogative sentence, you should use have after the subjects. So here is a small challenge for you all. You guys can comment a sentence using the future perfect tense. And please do subscribe to this channel because in the next episode, we will unlock the future perfect continuous tense. So stay tuned for that, and if you have any questions about the future perfect tense, please do reach out me in the comment section. And if you found this video useful, please do subscribe and like and share